Hey guys, it's Jess, and today I'm going to teach you how to apply a snap button. Let's get to it.
Alright guys, the first piece you're going to need is a round cap, okay? They look like this. Take this piece and push it against your fabric in the place you want to apply the snap. If you press hard enough, it will leave a little dot on your fabric, and that'll give you enough reference when you go to poke your hole. And line up your cap again. Now you're going to grab a stud. They look like this. This will go on the other side of your cap. Okay, now grab your snap pliers. The black side goes over the cap, and the clear plastic side goes over the stud. Line it up well and push your pliers closed. To do the other side, I push on the snap button to create an indentation on the fabric on the other side, and poke another hole in the middle of this indentation. Alright, now grab another cap piece and poke it through the hole like before. And now you're going to grab the opposite socket that looks like this and place it on top. Again, using your pliers, line up the black side over the cap and the white clear side over the socket and push it to apply. Give it a few snaps open and close just to make sure, and we're done guys. That's it.
Trust me when I say, when you get a snap kit, you will be addicted to it. I love adding them to everything. Also make sure to check out my tote bag tutorial so you have something to add a snap to. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified when I make another video. I gotta go add some snaps to some fabric that I'm gonna make into something, so alright, bye.